Well, I suggested, and no one said no, that we open cards, bags, those things, stockings, and then we eat.
And then we eat.
And then we open the rest of the present. I can't concentrate and videotape at the same time. So was King Soopers closed?
They didn't have the flavor she wanted.
So she just didn't get any? Who's here? What do you mean? We have everybody here that we're supposed to have here. I don't recognize that.
She's doing that surprise look again.
Whose truck is that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Do you recognize
One of
it?
the neighbors?
You recognize it, Jenny?
Well, you know, sometimes they do park in our driveway.
No way.
No way what?
No way.
No way what?
No.
What are you talking about?
What is it? I don't know. What is it?
Oh, isn't that Schaefer's?
Yeah, it's probably Schaefer's.
Schaefer's.
You make me cry.
Oh, honey. She really is. They love you, Bryana.
Why are you crying?
I told you, mothers want happy things for their children. Mothers are happy when their children are happy. Don't you? You're making me cry. Melody's for sure bawling. Look at, there's Melody.
Cool, man.
I think I just heard the dog cry too. Maybe it was going, but it sounded like, She's not going to loan you her car. You can go check it out, girlie. Here, Mitch.
What shoes?
Where's your coat? But it's...
Only shoes.
You don't
Here,
need
here.
a code. That
I'll
thing
get
is
her a coat.
sticking.
Here, you videotape her out there seeing
It's
it.
gonna get wet.